Hey guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to set the time and the date of your V6 smartwatch. Let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and this is just an easy way guys on how to set your time. So all you just have to do is go to your Yuho application, Yuho Sports, and make sure that it is connected guys. And after that, the time will automatically be set. So if you're asking me, can I change the time without syncing it to the smartphone? I'm sorry, but the answer is no. So you really have to have your smartphone and the application as well. And once it is connected, then it will automatically set the time. Alright? I know this is just easy, but this is just for the sake for some users who may not know how to set the time of their V6 smartwatch. Alright guys, so I think that's all for the video, and then if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up, and also if you have any suggestions or comments, just comment down below, and also consider subscribing guys to be updated about the latest and affordable smartwatches. Okay, so once again, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.